Hello and welcome to DataZar. Today I'm going to show you how to add pictures to your website at connect.datazar.com. So first of all, let's go to datazar.com. We're going to get logged in right here. We're already logged in, so we'll get rid of that and go full screen. To work on the website, we're going to click on the website button, and we're going to be doing pages and posts today. The editing tools are identical for the same. So we're going to be working mostly with pages. And then also there's page templates. There's the theme, which is the appearance of your website and settings. But we're going to be working with these two. This is our public preview URL. If you're working on your website, you're going to have your domain will be showing right here. You can use the public preview URL to review your changes because they update almost immediately, whereas it might take a couple minutes for your website to update. So let's look at our website. This is our AAA outdoor scenes. And we have a pictures page right here. We're going to go ahead and add pictures to that. So let's tab back over. So we're on the website button, and we're going to go to pages. That's what we're going to be working with here. And we're going to be editing our pictures page. So we'll go to the pictures page that we created, click on the edit button. And if you scroll down, this is the editing screen right here. And we're going to go ahead and first of all, we're going to add a gallery section. So we're going to click on gallery section, and you just scroll down, you choose a photo. What we're doing for this is we're going to go ahead and upload. We could go to My Images and get the ones we already have loaded, or we can upload an image. So I'm going to choose Files, and go here, 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 and we're going to pick this image first. Okay. We can enter a title here, grazing around, and we're going to go ahead and add item. So that's added. Now let's go ahead and choose another image, and again we're going to upload. So we're going to choose Files. This time we're going to pick this cow picture and out and about. So you can do a title, you can do a description. We're going to click Add Item, and we have those two added right there. So that's the gallery section. Now we're going to scroll down, and we're going to go to the featured image on our website. So this is the editing box. Here, the featured image is here. This time we're going to go to My Images, and the one that I want, I believe, is down here. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and use this one, and this is at the top of El Cajon Mountain. And now we're going to go to the editing box, and we're going to add some pictures. So we're going to click Enter, and we're going to click on the Insert Edit Image icon. We're going to be doing this quite a bit. So this is the Insert Edit Image icon, the up arrow. Now we're going to go to My Images. You can upload here if you want to, but we're going to go to My Images. You can also go to Free Images, and that's a free image search. And the first picture we want to add is this bird eggs, and this is at Duck Lake in Mammoth, California. And so we're going to put the cursor right to the right of that. If we want to size it, we can just stretch it this way. I think that's a pretty good size. So we'll put the cursor to the right. We're going to click Enter. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a 2-column. You can do 2-column or 3-column. We're adding 2-column here. And we're going to go ahead and select a picture. So you select on this image right here. It highlights it. Then you go to the Insert Edit Image icon, the up arrow. We're going to go back to My Images. And we're going to pick this one of Nevada Falls in Yosemite. And then one more. This image here, click the Insert Edit Image icon, the up arrow, go back to My Images, and let's see, we used Nevada Falls, so we're looking for one more. Don't see the one that I'm looking for, so let's keep this moving. We're going to go to this one right here. Click OK. Okay, so these are all filler words down here. We're going to get rid of the filler words. And this one, you can just double click and backspace. And then you have these little dashes above and below that you need to get rid of. And the formatting in between on the 2 and 3 column is different. So try not to get the formatting mixed up between the two. Once you work in here, inside of here, after the dash, it's normal formatting. Before the dash, it can get a little mixed up. So let's go ahead and move this over to the left. We're going to hit backspace, backspace. That looks pretty good. Now we're going to center this, and we're going to add one more picture. And we're going to go to the Insert Edit Image icon and the up arrow. Go back to My Images. Oh, this time we're going to do a free image. So let's go to the free image search, and we're going to search Yosemite. And the picture I want is this guy right here. So we're going to use this image, and we're going to click OK. And there it is. It's loaded, and it's quite large, but we're going to leave it large. And so that's it. That's the that's adding. We did the featured image. We did the eggs with the two column. We did the free image, and we also did the picture gallery. The only thing that's left to do is to click on Update, and everything should be updated. I'm going to click one more time just to make sure. Okay, so now let's go to our website. We're going to tab over. This is our website we just looked at. We're going to go ahead and refresh this page. And we're going to go to the Pictures page. And we're going to refresh the page and look at our adjustments. And there it is. Here's the Picture Image Gallery, the Image Slider Gallery. This is only available on pages. It's not available on posts. But that's the image gallery if you elect to use that. If you don't want to use that, you can just uncheck it. This is the featured image that shows up above your editing screen. And then here's within the editing screen, we added the eggs, we did the 2 column, and we did the free image. And it looks really good. So let's tab back over. And again, if you don't want the picture gallery, just uncheck it, click Update, tab back over, and refresh, and the picture image gallery is gone. Okay, go back to Connect. That's how to add pictures. Also, make sure you go to the Help button, especially if you're new, and you can go to the Help Center. It's quite useful. You can also go to our featured tutorial videos. If you click on featured tutorial videos, the first tutorial video, how to start building your website, is excellent. There's also some other very informative ones like how to add PayPal and so forth. So let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to add pictures to your website at DataStar Connect.